Robin Bezanson with RE/MAX Realty Partners. I want to tell you a little bit about the South County. If Silicon Valley family home prices are keeping you from purchasing your dream home, I have a solution. You can bring your buying powers south and just imagine the beautiful home you could purchase in South Santa Clara County. Our quality of life will amaze you. You can afford a home and lifestyle you've dreamed of, and it's just south of San Jose. Morgan Hill and Gilroy are the hidden gems of Santa Clara County. Just 10 short miles to the southern border of San Jose, our community in the South County is a special one. Our fantastic schools and endless recreational possibilities make it the perfect place to raise a family. Our restaurants and 21 wineries rival any in the Bay Area. Our open space, lack of congestion, and close proximity to the Pacific Coast make for an amazing lifestyle, the South County lifestyle. I would love the opportunity to introduce you to our wonderful community and the real estate possibilities that exist in the South County. And for more information about living in this great area, please give me a call at 408-892-5763.